We interrupt our programming. This is a local area emergency. Please listen closely to this message. The following message is transmitted at the request of emergency management. Due to the possibility of a nuclear attack, a mandatory evacuation has been issued for residents within a 40-mile radius of a city with more than 5,000 inhabitants. Additionally, a voluntary evacuation has been declared for the city of Anchorage. It is not known when or if a nuclear attack will occur. Residents of the state of Alaska, including the cities of Fairbanks and Juneau, are asked to stay tuned to TV stations for further updates.
The civil authorities have issued a civil emergency message for Anchorage AK, beginning at 8:03 a.m. and ending at 1:03 a.m. AKDT, KYUR. The following message is transmitted at the request of the governor of the state of Alaska. This is not a test. A nuclear missile from Russia is on course for Alaska. This missile is believed to be containing a nuclear warhead, and is believed to be on course for Anchorage, and is expected to impact within the next 40 minutes. This is an attack warning. To repeat, this is an attack warning. Attack warning means an actual attack is occurring, and protective action should be taken. Stay tuned to this channel for further information.
This is not a test. Stand by for a message from the governor of the state of Alaska.
Hello, to residents of the state of Alaska, good morning. As you are aware, a nuclear attack has been confirmed to be taking place against our state. At this time, I am requesting that all residents of the state, within 100 miles of Anchorage, seek a fallout shelter. Thank you, and have a good day.
Civil danger warning for the state of Alaska. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Alaska National Guard. A nuclear attack remains in progress. A nuclear missile from Russia is on course for Anchorage, and is expected to impact within less than 10 minutes. At this time, all residents in and within a 100-mile radius of this city should seek a fallout shelter. Fallout is a product of nuclear explosions. Prolonged exposure to fallout will result in certain death. In addition, FEMA has confirmed a nuclear device in the city of Juneau. It is not known if this device will detonate. However, all residents within a 50-mile radius of Juneau are strongly advised to evacuate immediately. This is KUBD. This station will cease transmitting after the alert.